guys, so today here we have Pa running not so mini excavator, but it's not large, and he's trying to clean out his ditches. He hasn't done this in a while with an excavator, so he's a little rusty, but probably about an hour operation he'll get pretty good at it. Sometimes he pulls the wrong lever every once in a while. Jumping in the field over there. This is his friend's 2018 Kubota KX057-4. You got the pretty good sized boom on it. So you see it's not very even. He's probably going to come back along here and to give it a lot more even. But I mean, you can see the ditch needs it bad because it's just wet and full of water. Machine's really smooth, especially when you got at low RPM like this. Quite go down far enough there. So we've made a lot of progress since the last clip. The last clips we were way down there, and we've made it way down here. He's still finding it, but we found something we think that's a pretty good rule of thumb. I get it because it has a thumb on it, but I'll show you when he dumps this load. See, the water is coming down and this is flowing pretty good. So it looks maybe a little. I might have got a tad deep. Oh God, stepped in the water. Didn't need to come to this side. All right, so you can see the cutting edge on the bucket where the first angle before it hits the bolts. About half of that first angle is a pretty good way to how far to go in. See that? if I can zoom it in for you. Let's see. There you go. That was a little deep, but maybe you can see what I'm talking about. Let's see, I mean, it's making the water's flowing. He's doing pretty good for, I think, for not having been doing it for a while. But yeah, I thought I'd just let y'all know how we're kind of trying to do it. All right, we made it from there, past the ditch running out of the yard. We made it here. You see, we have just a lot of water moving. By the time we get to the woods, all right, it's been about an hour and a half probably. See, the sun's going down, and we moved to the big ditch that we really wanted to clean out. And we started way down there with those pine trees, and I've done all that until probably about right here, and then he wanted to do some more, so I let him do some. And he only wanted to make it to the edge of this field right here today, but he was glad we got this far, so probably gonna try to make it all the way to the road, which is not as far as it looks on camera. But we're getting there. The machine's real nice. All the operations are very smooth. So if you want a mini excavator in the 15,000 pound range, the Kubota KX057-4, I would highly recommend it. You can see it's very quiet. He's probably less than half throttle right now, but it's, even with it wide open, it's still a very quiet machine. Yeah, you can see we're not the best skilled operators, but over a month or two, you know, the water will take away the unevenness, and it should end up flowing how it needs to flow. Alright, well guys, I think that's going to wrap up this video. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you next time on Bruton Tractors.